Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss question number 13.9 of the chapter Oscillation. What is given here? A spring having a spring constant 1200 Newton per meter is mounted on a horizontal table as shown in figure 13.19. A mass of 3 kg is attached to the free end of the spring. The mass is then pulled sideways to a distance of 2 cm and released. Determine the frequency of oscillation, maximum acceleration of the mass, and the maximum speed of the mass. We have to find three things. So you see how we are solving this problem. First of all we will write what is given. After that we will solve the problem. What is given you see here. First of all we will write what is given. After that we will solve the problem. Here you see a spring constant is given. A spring constant K is a spring constant. Spring constant K is equal to 1200 Newton per meter, So therefore spring constant is given and mass is also given. Mass M is equal to 3 kg. It is also given. Mass is also given. And what is given? Displacement is also given. Displacement is 2 centimeter. So you have to change it into meter. 2 by 100 meter, that will be 0.02 meter, right? 0.02 meter, right? Now we'll find the value of frequency of oscillation. Number one is frequency. Number one, we get the value of frequency of oscillation. Frequency of oscillation. What is the formula of frequency? Frequency equal to 1 by time period, right? And you know that 1 by time period means 1 by 2 pi root over k by m. That is the time period. So you find the frequency by this formula, that is 1 by 2 pi 2 into 3.14 and the root over of value of k is 1200 divided by 3, right? So after calculation we are getting a value here as 3.18 per second. 3.18 per second. So this is the frequency, or frequency it can be written as hertz also, Hz. So 3.18 hertz is the answer. So hence the frequency oscillation number one. Hence frequency of oscillation is equal to 3.18 hertz. This is the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is maximum acceleration of the mass. You have to find the maximum acceleration of the mass. So maximum acceleration is given by maximum acceleration. The formula for maximum acceleration, A max, is equal to omega square into A. Right? Where is the amplitude? And here omega is equal to angular frequency root over k by m. So we'll find the value of root over k by m, right? So and A is the maximum displacement or amplitude, right? So we'll get the value here this equation. Therefore A can be written as omega square is k by m into A. So we have to put the value. The value of k is 1200, value of m is 3, and amplitude you can find here as 0.02. So if you calculate this one, we are getting a value of 8 meter per second. 8 meter per second is called. So this is the maximum acceleration. Only you have to put the formula. So this is the, here's the maximum acceleration of the mass is 0.8 meter per second square, right? Number third question. Third question, maximum speed of the mass. To find the maximum speed, so maximum velocity, we have formula. Maximum velocity, we have formula for that also. Maximum velocity, or Vmax is equal to a omega, a into omega, right? So we'll put the value again. So omega is equal to k by m, a into omega. So we'll get the value a. The amplitude is 0.02 meter, and omega is root over k by m, We're getting the value 0.02 into root over k by m. What is the value of k? The value of k is 1200, and the value of m is 3. So we're getting, after calculation, we're getting the value as 0.4 meter per second, 0.4 meter per second. So this is the maximum velocity. Hence the maximum velocity, the maximum velocity is equal to 0.4 meter per second, right? So you're getting the frequency of oscillation equal to 1 by t, 1 by 2 by root over k by n, you got the value of 3.18 Hz, right? And the maximum acceleration, a max equal to omega square a, omega equal to root over k by m into a. So we are getting this value 8 meter per second square. And maximum velocity V max equal to a omega 0.02 root over k by m, 0.02 into 1200 root over 1200 by 3. Therefore, we get the value of 0.4 meter per second. And this is the maximum velocity is 0.4 meter per second. Thank you everybody for watching this video.